Okay, we got a 2019 Chevy Camaro. We're gonna go installing an amplifier, an aftermarket amplifier, 1200 watt amp, Planet Audios, and some JBL 1000 watt. First of all, we're gonna go to the right side right here to grab the power wire and putting a fuse holder right there and go into an amplifier. So first of all, you're gonna have to remove all of these right there, and then you're gonna pry it out one by one with the prier. Right here, you're gonna have to pry right there. There's a clip. You wanna pry it out like this, one right here, and then there's another one also right there. Just pry it up, and then the whole thing will come out exact like that. And then now you're gonna take that clip out. There's one clip right there. There's should be more, but there's another one down here. So push this clip in both sides right there and pull it straight out. And then now you're gonna need, I believe that's a 1/2 inch. Take that 1/2 inch and put on the 200 amp is fine. Which one, it doesn't matter, just the 200 amp is perfectly, or you can go to the 10 millimeter right there, but I will put right here. Now back over here with the left front, which is the driver's side doors right here underneath on the kick panel, you want to hook up the I'm hooking up the speaker wire. I'll explain later. The blue one, you're gonna hook up to the red wire, which is positive side, and then the brown blue is the negative side. Now there's also another way to do it. You can go to the radio right there in the back of the radio. I wouldn't recommend it, it's too much work. You can hook it up for the left front. You can hook it up to the brown 20 pin plug. Pin 18 is positive, pin 17 is negative, or the green 16 plug, pin 1 and pin 9. That if you want to do all that. I'm not gonna do all that, that's too much. It's not a competition amplifier, anything like that. To make this ground right here, just go ahead and put one soft taper screw right there. Well, you want to sand it really good out of this one to the bare metal, as you can see right there. And then you're gonna tighten this one right there. You want to put two so it don't move. What I'm gonna do right there, I'm gonna remove this 1/2 inch right there and plug it in like that, and then tighten it back in, and then I ran the wire down there all the way over there. I'm gonna put everything back because right there is an amp and the speakers, so it's got a bunch of glass I have to watch out too. So now the wire that I ran, which is the red and black, so I got red to the this high-low converter is called Kislock 2, which has an output, remote output. You're gonna have to hook up remote to the remote right there to the amp, and then the ground with the ground, and then you got white gray to the positive, which is to the red wire, and then you got white, black, gray, black to the black and red right there for the negative right there. And then you're gonna have to hook up the RCA jack from here to the input right there of the amp, and then run the speaker wire to it. And then you now right here, it's kind of hard to video this. I'm gonna cut this zip tie right there. I did screw right there so it won't move. I got positive, got remote, and I got the ground hooked up already. Almost pulled this black wire because I had to move it this way because I started from the trunk because the wire was kind of short, and it's kind of hard to lean on one side and kind of hold everything. And then I'm gonna zip tie this thing to make it right there, so make it look a little bit better. And then
Find what drives you at Coda.com/careers. Go now. Of course I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean tough messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I can also also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked.
What I'm looking for is the ANC, making sure that's turned off. Some of them doesn't have it, and I don't believe this thing got it because it does not have a built-in amplifier. I'm still gonna check it, just making sure. But other than that, everything works great, and it sounds great also. I think mainly you want to go to the main menu and you want to go to setup, and then you want to click down to sound, and you want to see this is audible touch feedback. Now maximum startup, no, you don't have to do anything with that, so it doesn't require that. Just making sure that it's not